trust nobody. I don't even trust my mind, I'm losing everybody. They can never take the grind. People always switching sides, people always hit my line. Never ask me how I'm doing, they just wanna waste my time. See, I don't hate nobody, just stay up on my life and I won't hurt nobody. So just stay up on my sights. People always pull me down, labels told me that I drown. When you living how I'm living, all these leeches come around. They robbed all my money, and I'll never get it back. I don't find nobody, cause I'm coming fucking back. I just listen to my lawyers, but the judge don't listen back. See, they got this full disclosure and they coming for my neck. You don't know shit about me, so just give me my respect. All the music that I made, I ain't never got a check. I've been doing all this shit with like 2 hands behind my back. I just focus on my shows cause that's the only thing that's left. You don't know shit about me, it's the reason why you don't come around. You scared of me cause I'm talking loud. Even blow that smoke won't come around. You can talk that shit but don't know about it. See, I see that shit but I don't talk about it. But I will scream and I'll still be rowdy cause it's 5 years and I don't know shit and I'm still drowning like fuck.